Welcome to my channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to upload music to YouTube. Let's get started. First, open the YouTube app. Then, tap on the plus button at the bottom center of the screen. Next, tap on the gallery button in the bottom left corner and select the music or audio file you want to upload. After selecting your file, tap Next. Here, you can make any edits you want to your music video. Then, tap Next again. On the following screen, you can add text or captions if needed. After that, tap Next to continue to the Details page. Here, you can enter a title and description for your music. You can also set the visibility to public, unlisted, or private according to your preference. If you want to publish the music later, you can use the schedule option and choose a future date and time. You can also select the audience setting, such as whether the content is made for kids or not. Once everything is set up, tap on the Upload Short button. Your music will start uploading, and this may take a few moments depending on your internet speed and file size. After the upload is complete, you can open YouTube and view your uploaded music. And that's it. This is how to upload music to YouTube. If you like the video, like, subscribe, and press the bell icon for more helpful tutorials.